Good afternoon. Hello, hello. Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Cameras on.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Cameras on, guys.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Very good. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Happy to know. Guys, cameras on, please. Let's start. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for this practice. Let's start with one Om. Inhale. Om. Exhale, release the hands down. Open your eyes. And let's start into the mat. Sorry, guys, someone else was joining. Take a kneeling position. Bring fingertips either side, right ear, right shoulder. Half circle. Left ear, left shoulder. Half circle right. Half circle left. 3. Keep the fingertips down. 4. 5. Cameras on, guys. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Left ear, left shoulder. Pull close with your hand and hold. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the help of the hand, come to center. Right ear, right shoulder with your hand. Pull your head down to the side. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Take tabletop position. Hands under the shoulders, knees under your hips. Press the palms, spread the fingers, bring the core engaged, pelvis in. And we start bringing circles into the palm of the hand. Sorry, guys, for the voice. Bring circles into your hand. Shift the weight forward. 5, pelvis in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4. Cameras on, guys, please. 3, 2, and 1. Come to center. Extend the arms forward. Keep the pelvis in. Core engage. And you're going to bring forehead or nose down. Hold it here without arching the spine. Press the hands. 30-second hold. Leela, Dheeraj, please, camera on. No arching of the spine. Stay. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back to center. Take your blocks. Second. So let's take your blocks. Second setting at the top of the mat. You're gonna again press down, touch forehead, exhale up. Without arching the spine, same thing. Press the hands to the block, try to reach forehead and round. When you round, you're separating the scapula. When you come down, you only open through your shoulders without the arch. Yeah, pelvis core in. 10 reps, and then we hold. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open, hold it down. As close as you can, bring your forehead towards the floor. Even if it's not reaching, just go low, keep the pelvis in, core engaged. 30-second hold. Stay with your breath. Avinay, stay down, stay down. Try forehead towards the floor. Pratibha, pelvis in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly press the hands. Round the spine, release the blocks. And you're going to come into tabletop position. Bring the hands under the shoulders, knees under your hips. Tuck toes. You're going to lift the knees a little bit only. Keep the pelvis in, separate the scapula, keep weight spread between hands and toes. Then knee to chest, compress, and back. Other knee to chest, and I come back. Slow core exercise. Slow, guys. We start 1 minute non-stop. Press the hands, press the mat away, separate the scapula. We start, Vijaya, the hands on the mat, not on top of the block. Yes, regular tabletop. Tuck toes, lift the knees. Yes, and now one knee at a time, slow. Sandeep is not a plank tabletop. Then only lift a little with the knees. Then knee to chest. Yes. Continue, guys. 30 more seconds. Urvashi, come on. Slow down, guys. Slow down. Those who are running and going fast. Slow exercise. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Super. Now, from tabletop, everyone, guys, when you are in tabletop, measure that there is wrist, elbow, and shoulder in one line, and knees under the hips. You will lift the knees, step back into high plank, feet to touch. Weight towards the hands, and again, knee to chest, slowly back. Knee to chest, slowly back. The pelvis doesn't go up and down. Yes, so keep pressing the mat away. Instead of collapsing here, we press with the hands, separate the scapula, keep the eyes down. 1, back. Pelvis in, otherwise it starts to pop out. So you need to squeeze the glutes. Yes? 1 more minute. Pressing all the fingers, pressing all the corners of your hands. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Slow exercise, guys. Sandeep, more weight to your hands. Last 30 seconds. Vijaya, come on, last 30 seconds. 20 seconds now. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Super. Now, we will take the blocks, shoulder distance apart. On the high setting, elbows on the top, palms to touch. You will walk back, keep your eyes down, 90 degrees. Wrist to elbow, one line, elbow to your pelvis, another line. Yes, the pelvis is in. I only want to go down once. Exhale. Pressing the elbows, go down. Exhale. 10 reps, last rep, sorry guys, we hold it down. Again, we are not touching the spine. We keep the pelvis in. Yeah? Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we go. 1. Exhale up. 2. Exhale. 3. Keep the 90 degrees. Exhale on your arms. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Exhale. 7. Exhale. 8. Exhale. 9. Exhale. 10. You're gonna hold it down. Keep the pelvis in pragya and stay with your breath. Think like you have a heavy weight pulling you down. Shilpa, high setting of the blocks. Deep breaths, Avinay. Elbows on top of blocks. Try to open through your shoulders. Vijaya, keep the wrist up so it goes in line, up to the sky. Yes. 90 degrees. Head down. Urvashi, what's going on? Continue, please. 20 seconds left, guys. Go a little bit deeper if you can without opening the pelvis. Chintamani, pelvis in. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Remove the blocks. You're gonna keep the blocks next to you for later. Fall back on the mat. Hands next to your pelvis. Head down. Knees and feet touching together in 90 degrees. You're gonna engage the core, press the lower back. Yet don't arch, press, no space. 90 degrees, I engage the core. Option 1, I go here. Option 2, I go here. Option 3, chin to chest, arms here, and I continue. Option 4, I take one block above head. 1, exhale. 2, exhale. 1 minute, non-stop. Pick your variation, guys. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we go. Knees together, Avinay. Touch your knees. It will be easier. Slow exercise. When you bring the knees inside, do not bounce. Thirty more seconds. Continue last few seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Very good. Next one. You will interlace the fingers behind you. Bring the knees together, feet to touch. Knee to elbow, back to center 90 degrees. So you will lift the shoulders, chin in like a crunch. And then exhale other side. Inhale, center, touch the knees. Exhale. Inhale, center, touch the knees. Exhale. Like this, very slow, 1 minute. If you try to rush it, the effect of the exercise will be very different. Yes? In the beginning, you might not feel much, but you will feel it as you go. Let's go. "90 degrees, guys, when you come center. Last 30 seconds. Sandy, pause at the center. Knee to elbow, pause. Yes, no, pause at the center. Sandy, pause at the center. Center, center. Knees together, yes. And then change. We pause on each side. 1, center, and we change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Last one, guys. We will sit. Watch me first. Knees together, feet to touch. Arms either side. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Non-stop 1 minute, guys. The knees are really touching. You're squeezing inner thighs. If the knees are separate, you will feel like it's very difficult to bring the knees back to the top. Yes? 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, and we go. Exhale when you go down. Last 20 seconds. Continue, guys. Those who are taking a pause, continue, continue. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Super. Very good, guys. Now, we will take standing position. Feet together. Yes, press the feet down. You're gonna bend the knees, flex from the hip. Opposite elbows to grab behind the legs. Now we want the belly to touch the thighs here and stay. If this feels difficult, feet hip distance apart, you lean towards the toes, relax the head and hold. Yes, 30 seconds and then we will bend the knees. Inhale, look forward. Exhale without letting any space. Yes, you go down. Okay, first we hold, then we go dynamic. 30 seconds and 30 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And we hold first. So no space between the belly and your thighs. Keep the knees bent. If you have the full length of the legs, go forward bending fully. Everyone leaning way towards the toes. Vijaya, first we are holding, then we go dynamic. Just hold. Relax the head, Chintamani. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now keep opposite elbows, bend the knees, inhale, look forward. Opposite elbows behind the knees. Exhale, extend. 30 seconds like this. Inhale, bend the knees, look forward, press the feet down. Exhale, extend. Continue. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly bend the knees, sit down to the floor, and you will take your blocks. Now, we will keep the blocks next to the thighs. Option 1, blocks on the second setting. Option 2, blocks on the low setting. Yeah, so second setting, you will press the blocks, lift. That's it. Down. Lift. Down. Yes. Press, core engaged, lean a little bit forward and up. Legs fully engaged, toes pointing up. Same if you're doing from the floor. Lift. Yes, I'm pressing and up. Core is engaged. Yes. We do 7 reps. 1. Down. Exhale up. Down. Yes. Last rep. We will go up and we will hold. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And down. 2. Exhale. Down. 3. Down. 4. Down. 5. Guys, core. Down. 6. Down. 7. Down. 8. Down. 9. Down. 10. Down and release. Guys, I gave you 3 extra because some reps were not there. Some people start halfway. Take a moment, now we go for the hold. Yes, we aim 20-second hold. Guys, fix your blocks. Some of you have the blocks really close to your glutes. A little bit more forward. Yes, just between the knees and the glutes. Somewhere in the middle. That you can lift and down. Yeah? So now we press, lift and up, hold it. Yes, there is a little bit of hands forward. Pelvis in like in cat, navel in. Yeah? 20 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Lift and hold 20 seconds, guys. Core, core, core. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Super. Next one. Now, we will press, lift. We try to lift one leg, 10 seconds. Other leg, 10 seconds. Now, how am I lifting this leg? Not out of like, I want to lift the leg up. I just want you to think of engaging the core. Engaging the core, leg fully engaged as it lifts. Yes, press and lift. 10 seconds together. Down. 10 seconds other leg. Down. We will pause and again one more round. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Prepare. Feet to touch, guys. Lift up first the glutes, then one leg up. Hold. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other leg, guys, without going down. Come on. Up, 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 up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, guys. When I say up, let's try to go all together. Otherwise, some people are just there hanging on the floor. I know it's difficult. Give it a try any which ways. If we skip all the difficult exercises, what do we do in class, guys? Shavasana, 1 hour. Yeah, let's try. Yeah, second round. Again, everyone committed to start in 5 seconds. So prepare your blocks, mentally prepare. Don't overthink the exercise. Whatever you can give, you give your best. Yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and up. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change leg. Don't go down. Change leg. Simply change leg. Try. Guys, up, 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 up. Come on. 5, 4, resist. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now, we will place the hips, on top of one block, both legs together. Option 1. Option 2, 2 blocks. Feet together, legs together, as close as you can. Yes, feet to touch. Inhale, you will raise the arms from the pelvis. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale. One block or 2 blocks. If one of these options feels too much, no problem, no blocks. Same thing, toes up from the pelvis down, and I lift as much as I can. I try to think of long line forward. Not this, but this. Still, if this is challenging, bend the knees, belly to thighs, lift up. Belly to thighs, lift up. Ready? 3, 10 reps, 2, 1, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go forward and hold. Grab your feet, hands on the floor, whatever feels comfortable. Spine long, opening from your pelvis. Eyes forward to the toes or beyond. Deep breaths. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Super. Last exercise, guys. We will take the chair a little bit more for your shoulders. Hands, shoulder distance at the edge of the chair. You will walk the knees back, press the hands, ears in between your arms. Shoulders lifted to the ears and then pelvis in. Only chest. 1. Exhale. 2. Exhale. Last one, we will hold it down. Yes, keep your eyes down. Don't try to leave your head. To come out, knees in, and you release. Yes? 10 reps. Last one we hold. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Prepare, guys. Hand shoulder distance. Walk back. Long line from the wrist to the pelvis. Inhale without opening pelvis. Shoulders down. Exhale up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it low. Hold it low. Pelvis in. Only shoulder opening. Pelvis in. Hold it. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Super. Watch me. We will take the chair and we will take tabletop position right behind. Press the hands, keep the eyes between the thumbs, feet on top. Yes, now, those who feel comfortable, they will walk one step in. So we have wrist, elbow, shoulder. You can keep 50% weight. See, there's less weight in my hand, but the palm is pressing fully. Otherwise, lift the heels up, transfer weight. There will be mostly weight on the hands. And now, the exercise itself. Bend the knees, inhale. Exhale, press the hands, hips down. You keep the eyes down, yeah? Bend the knees. Exhale. 5 reps. And you release. Rest. And then 5 reps again. Feel the exercise, guys. Feel the hands pressing against. Yes, all the corners of the hands have to press. All the fingers have to be gripping the mat. Yeah, I'm pressing against and I'm activating the palm fully. Yeah? Everyone, make sure the chair doesn't go away, guys. Against the wall if possible, otherwise top of the mat, make sure it doesn't slide. At your own rhythm, 5 reps, then rest, then another 5 reps. Eyes down, Vijaya. Good alignment, eyes down, yes. 5 reps, guys. Bend the knees, press the hands. Exhale up. Sarita start. Super alignment. Yes, Shiva. Monica. Chintamani, eyes down. Keep the eyes at the same place. Yes, Alini. Try to keep the ears in between your arms and eyes towards the thumbs. Sandeep. Press, press, press. Eyes down. Sandeep, alignment is good. Just the eyes. Don't look to the chair. Look to your hands. Sarita, yes. Pradnya, yes. Prativa, yes. Terence, yes, yes. Extend, extend, extend. Super. Sarika, yes. Shilpa, yes. Guys, we are doing super. Anu, ears in between your arms. Yes, eyes down. Anuva, yes. Nidhi, super alignment. Abhinay, eyes down. 5 reps, everyone. I think more than 5, some of you. Those who have done 2 times 5, please take a rest. Wrist rotation, yes. Or you can sit in Malasana, bring the wrist inside of the knees, open and close. Those who have done only 5 reps, go for second round. If someone wants extra reps, you can also go. Ready? Yes, Urvashi. Last 20 seconds to finish those 5 reps. Sarita, yes, super alignment. Sarika, yes. Pragya, hips up. Yes, beautiful alignment. Slowly, everyone coming down. Wrist rotation. Now, in the meantime, what's the next exercise? We will move towards the wall. Arm distance apart. Yeah, take tabletop, measure arm distance, place the hands down, look towards the hands, press the palms, lift the hips. Yes, now you will step up. Yes, all the way. Yes, and now slowly walk, walk, walk towards that. Slowly walk up. And then again, towards that. And then 5 reps, and then we will go down. Try. Yes, Shiva. Yes, Pranya. Sandeep, only lower the knees until your pelvis distance. Pelvis distance, pelvis level. Don't go beyond. This is too low. A little bit up. That's your measurement. Yes, Sarita, good alignment. Anu, keep the hips up, shoulders open. Good alignment. That's it, that's it. Don't go lower. Yes, now start walking up again. Divya, yes, yes, yes. Shoulder opening, shoulder opening. Keep pressing. Open shoulders. Only 5 reps, guys. Terence, it was a tuck position. It was tuck. So you need a little bit closer, 5 reps only. Those who finish, guys, wrist rotation. Any stretch you need. Up and down, sideways, or the wrist compression. Open and close. Watch me for the next in the meantime. This time we will go leg distance. Yes, so you measure the leg in line with your pelvis, not upper and not lower. In line as much as possible. You shift hands down next to your foot on the floor. Press the hands, bend the knee, and you will have your measurement. Now, you will keep the knees bent, everyone, feet together. This time, guys. This time, you will keep the eyes towards the wall, yes? and you will press and open shoulders. 1. What am I pressing? My hands down. Open. Feet obviously have to press. The toes have to press, yes? Those who can, you can leave the legs open and say open shoulders, center. Open shoulders, center. Yes? 5 reps. Down and another 5 reps. Again down. Yes? Go leg distance, then you can keep the knees bent for this one. Ready? Don't need to straighten the legs, guys. Keep the knees bent, focus on the shoulder opening. Press the hands against the mat, eyes to the wall for this one. And focus on pressing feet, hands, and then open. Five reps. Those who finish 5 reps, take a rest. Those who want to go 5 more reps in one round, you can do. Otherwise, calm down, take a moment, and then second round.
And do we have to push our arms towards the wall? Is this the right form?
You are pushing it with the shoulder. So you're doing this opening forward. What helps is that you have your hands down. Now, the maximum open that this exercise will give you guys is your maximum opening in any other shoulder opening exercise. What does it mean? If my shoulders don't open more than this, right now, don't expect the exercise to do miracles. This is a repetition that gives you this wider range in the shoulder opening. Yeah? Am I making sense, guys? If my shoulder opening here, it's this, on the wall it cannot come this all of a sudden in one session, because this is a joint opening. It requires repetition to increase the range of motion. But the aim is to open through the armpit. So we are pressing with chest forward. At the same time, hands down, feet to the wall. Yeah? Second round, guys, 5 more reps. Yes? Try to take it, now that you understand the exercise, try to take it slower. Means when I go to the wall, I try to bring the chest low. Yes, I go up. And I'm not in a rush. I look and I try to explore what is my end range. Then I try to come slowly to center. Don't go just half. Whatever is your end range, I don't care. But explore what is the maximum and then make sure you can come back. Yeah? 5 more reps.
Patty,
Yeah?
when we are going towards the wall, the weight is shifting towards this part of the palm, right?
No.
Oh, okay.
When if you feel it shifting here, remember to press the whole hand against the mat. Always against.
Okay.
Yeah, engaging the fingers.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah. Thank you.
Otherwise, it will come to your shoulder, no? Five reps. Guys, much better this second round. 5 reps only. Don't spend too much time upside down. Wrist rotation, those who have come down. Now, guys, options. We will go leg distance once again. Sorry, guys. We will go leg distance once again. Measure your leg. Yes, go. Hands down. Press and lift. Yes, now. Equal weight between my feet and my hands. Pressing equally. Option 1. Eyes down this time. Option 2. You lift the hips more weight towards the hands. Option 3. You go on your toes. Obviously, most of the weight is here. If I can release. Yeah, I don't want you to, I'm just saying that much lightness on the wall. Yeah, the nails touching is just decoration. So pick accordingly. We will go 2 rounds. 20-second hold. Aim maximum hold, but don't stay there if you feel like crumbling down. Save 5 seconds to come down. 7 seconds, whatever you need. Yeah? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, and we go. Ready? Time is on. Super. Stillness, guys. 1 step lower, Chintamani. Super, guys. Sarita, 1 step up. Teeny tiny. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming down. Wrist rotation. Reshaking or to the sides. Very good. Super alignment, guys. Make sure that, how can I say, when we are up, we feel if the legs are above the pelvis level, right? So if we feel like this, try to step down. If you feel you cannot step down, you might have walked too far to the wall with your hands. So 1 step away with the hands, and then I try again to lower the legs. Yeah? Only 1 or 2 had this situation. Rest alignment was good. Yes? 1 more round, guys. Super, super alignment, huh? 20 more seconds. Full focus on what is happening in the hands. Weight distributed, fingertips active. Ready, everyone? Go, 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 guys. Time is on. Up, 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 those who have not. Find stillness once you extend the legs. Eyes down, eyes down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly down. Wrist rotations. Catch up the breath. Now raise the hands, those who are feeling lightness on the wall, meaning less than 50% of the weight is on the wall. Raise your hand, those who feel less than 50%. Sarita, Shiva, who else? Pragnya, less than 50% weight on the wall. Who else? Anuva, Shilpa, super. Now, 1 more round. We try again. Yes, those who wear full weight on the wall, if you feel like you want to try, go on your toes. If you're on the toes, explore. Go on the nails. See what happens. You have all the tools to fall on the side. Yeah? If we want to fall, guys, always on the side. Yes, I want to fall from here. Let's say I'm going here. Yes, it will go on the side. Yes? But engage the fingertips. Engage your hands. If the feet are there, I can flip backwards. Yes, engage the fingers because those are the brakes, like the bike. Yeah, I will most probably go like this. Yeah? Guys, super, you got all the tools. Go to the wall, full trust your body. Yeah? 20 more seconds. Challenge yourself. 1%, 2%, 10%, whatever you can today. Get out of the comfort zone a little bit. Ready? Let's go. Ten. Super, guys. 9, 8. Eyes down. Tendency. 7, 6, 5, 4. Yes, and deep eyes down. 3, 2, 1. Slowly start walking down the floor. Everyone sit in Malasana. Bring the wrist on the inside. Squeeze. Open and close. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Shake your wrist. Get the joint loose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, oopsie, 1. Up and down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fingertips to the floor. Right ear, right shoulder. Pull and hold. Spine straight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Left ear, left shoulder. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up. Join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience, and the uniqueness that it comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one Om and 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Wrap the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of the hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter through your eyes. Light the palms on your face. A beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much, guys. Super. Super this shoulder opening. Yeah?
Thank
Super.
you. Thank
I
you.
love the focus. Everyone super, super, super focus. Amazing energy. Yeah? Thank you, Vijaya. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
tomorrow
Thank you so
also
much.
I'll see you 2 to 3 and then 7 to 8. Yeah? There's a change of class with Deepak. Those who can and are interested, come for backbend class 7 to 8 p.m. Otherwise, recordings I will send to you guys on the group at the end of the day. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. It was
so
lovely
much.
session.
Thank you.
Thank
How
you,
do you
ma'am.
like it?
Thank you.
Thank you, Sarita. Thank you,
Ma'am,
guys.
it is my first day on the Happy Habit classes and my first female trainer you are.
First
Good to
female.
see my- Yes. I trained up under the 7 trainers, but all the trainers are male. But you are the first female trainer. I
Oh,
never had expected that the female can teach so precisely all the asanas and the practice. That was really good. I will try to join the backbending session also in
yes,
the evening.
please. Usually backbends we have in the morning, 10:30. Yeah. But this week there's some changes because Deepak sir is traveling, so we arrange a little bit of change. Yeah. Otherwise, there's always the recording. I know it's different live, but if you're interested in a topic, don't let the fact that you cannot come live miss the practice. Yeah. Do recording at least. And when you have the time, come live. Always happy to see you in class. Yeah.
Backbending is my favorite topic, so I will do.
Mine too.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you,
Take care.
guys. Thank you.
Thank
I'll
you.
see you
Thank you.
later, those who come 7 to 8. Yeah? Bye bye.
Okay, bye.